The top 4 reasons people stay financially unsatisfied are surprisingly simple. Let's break them down. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Dear friends, welcome. In this video, we will explore how not starting, not continuing once you start, not understanding enough, and lack of access are the biggest reasons people never get a good life. Mistake 1. Not starting. The biggest mistake is simple, never starting. Here are the biggest reasons people never start. 1. I don't know how to start. 2. It's too risky. 3. I don't have enough money. 4. I don't have access to financial tools. We already showed how anyone can start buying Bitcoin in our previous video. The link is below. Yes, investing in Bitcoin is risky, but there is also a risk of not doing nothing. For example, if Bitcoin continues to grow 25-30% per year, $100 today could become $300 in 5 years. The risk of not investing, missing that $200 gain. Risk is better than regret. We will cover the access problem shortly. Mistake 2. Not continuing. Many people fail to understand that the power of investing comes from regularly adding more money to your portfolio. Sometimes platforms have a minimum amount, but you can always save up little by little in a jar until you reach that amount. That is the real secret rich people understand. You can start with little money. The real power of investing is consistency. Start small, keep going, build the habit. The more you invest, the bigger the benefit. But always remember, starting small is still powerful. Quick tip. Stay consistent. Bitcoin rewards patience over time. If you're enjoying this video, subscribing will help us help more people. Mistake 3. Not understanding. We agree investing is risky, especially with Bitcoin, since it's new technology and still a small market compared to older investments. The first important fact to understand is that the market of 100 million people and 200 trillion USD of our hard-earned money have already decided that Bitcoin is legitimate. To put it into perspective, if Bitcoin was a country, it would be the 8th richest country in the world. Tomorrow, it may be the first. Get on board or risk being left behind. The second important fact to understand is that because the Bitcoin market is still small, we believe that is why its price will continue increasing. One of the smartest investments we can make today is to learn. Your job after starting, learn enough to avoid emotional mistakes and keep your Bitcoin for plus 10 years. The more you learn, the better you'll control fear and greed. Even if you don't go deep into crypto, just buying Bitcoin is a win. Quick tip. Learn continuously. Financial literacy is a powerful skill for a good life. Mistake 4. Not having access. If you have a bank account, you can skip ahead. Timestamps below. But in many countries like Afghanistan and Pakistan, millions don't have bank accounts. In the past, this meant no chance to invest. Today, Bitcoin has changed that. With just a phone and internet, anyone now have access to the same market as millionaires in America. It's one of the most powerful financial tools for everyone, and especially for people without bank accounts. Quick tip. Take your cash to a net cafe, buy USD, then buy Bitcoin. Final encouragement. Investing is like giving your money a job. The difference, you need food and rest, but your money can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You deserve for your money to work for you. In fact, not investing may be riskier than investing in Bitcoin. Conclusion. In the next video, we will show you how to grow your Bitcoin portfolio over time. Hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, dear friends. See you next time.